living a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies as pimps tonight.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to another video. My name is Cammy if you are new here, and today we're going to be doing part 3 of the winter haul. If you have not seen part 1 and 2, make sure you check those out, and make sure you follow me on Instagram to see how I styled these outfits. And without further ado, let's get into the haul. Alright, so these are a size 15. I usually get a 1X in my bottoms just to make sure that they fit. These are kind of stretchy. No, I take that back. These are really stretchy, but I definitely would have gotten a size up. Y'all know I like pants in every color so that it can match everything. I like yellow pants, green pants, red pants, blue pants, whatever color pants, just so that you can be sure that you got a pair of pants that matches everything. So these orange pants are so cute. They are very unique, and like I said, they're stretchy, they're high waist, so it goes all the way up, and they're very form-fitting, so it fits you very nicely. But I definitely would have gotten my size. I got a 15 in these, but I definitely would have gotten a 1X in the bottoms. And I am 5'7.5", 5'8". So it goes all the way down to my ankle. So for tall girls, these are really good. Like these, they fit, they'll do you right. But I definitely would have gotten my size, which is a 1X. They don't have pockets in the front, sadly. Oh my gosh, y'all. When there's a print where the pocket is supposed to be and there is no pocket, that just irks me. I would wish it had a pocket in the front on both sides, but there is a pocket in the back. You have your 2 pockets, so hey, you win some and you lose some. But these pants are really cute and I like the color for sure. Next up, y'all, are these shoes right here. Oh my gosh. These shoes are definitely, hands down, without a doubt, these are my favorite shoes in my closet, period. The blue and the orange, it just stands out, it pops, it's unique. Where have you seen this before? Y'all already know I love me a good pair of custom shoes. Like, it almost guarantees, I'm smiling so hard. It almost guarantees that nobody will be walking around with the same shoes as you. And y'all know I love unique things. These shoes are fire. Like, fire. I got these from Clay's Customs. You already know I get my customs, all of my customs from Clay's Customs. And oh my gosh, she did her big one on these shoes. Like, look at that. The outside is diamonds, rhinestones, is shining. The bling, bling. You can't miss it. I have not worn these yet, but I have put them in the sun. Oh my gosh. You talking about eye-catching bling? These shoes are it. It's glitter on the inside, rhinestone on the outside. It just shines. It blings. Like, what you know about that? Like, and then she has the bling on the laces. What? Where are you finding that? Look at these shoes. Like, oh my gosh. And you know we gotta have the Houston Astros on the side. Shout out to those Astros. But yes, oh my gosh. Yeah, so I would definitely wear these pants with these shoes. I'm gonna have all the information on how you can get these shoes from Clay's Customs down below in the description. I'm gonna have her Instagram, but oh my gosh, shoes, like, what? Look at that. Now tell me, who doing that? Tell me. Look at that. Tell me who doing that. Where you getting these from? Where are you getting those from? Check her out. If you haven't checked her out by now, what are you doing? You gotta check out her Instagram. These are probably my favorite pair of shoes, period. Hands down. In my closet to this day. All right, next is this Lola bunny shirt, and it is so cute. I like that it have, you know, pops of color. It has different colors in the shirt. I got it in a size large. I get all my shirts in a size large again. And it fits. If you like your shirts a little baggy in this shirt, I say size up a bit. This is such a cute shirt. You could pull a lot of colors out of this shirt to match your shoes. You got purple, which is like basically lavender in this shirt. Pink, you got yellow, you got orange, you got tan. Like, you can pull a lot of different colors out of this shirt, so that makes for a fire outfit. I really like it. It's long, it's really cute. Next is this Unbothered shirt, and I absolutely love this shirt, y'all. Here's what the shirt looks like on. It is a size large. This shirt is by the AM Clothing. AM stands for the Artist Mindset, and it's actually my brand. It has a lot of color in this. You guys know I love shirts with colors, and I absolutely love shirts with a motivational message. This shirt says Unbothered, and it just reminds you as you go through life, you don't have to be bothered with everything. Don't sweat everything. Live your life. Don't let things sway you. And this is a good reminder of that. It's a good reminder for you, and it's a good reminder for other people. Like, live life. Don't let people see you sweat. Don't let people sway your mood. And it reminds other people of the same thing. But I like the teal, I like the purple, I like the pop of color. It's just a lot going on in this shirt. Y'all know I love shirts with a lot of colors. That means you can really make your shoes pull out the colors in a shirt, and it makes for a fire outfit. It fits true to size. This is a size large. It's a heavy duty shirt. I washed and washed it. It doesn't fade. It is just a really nice motivational shirt. It is so cute. And which brings me to these shoes. These shoes are next. I've had these shoes for a little while, y'all. I absolutely love these shoes. These shoes were customized, you already know. Blue is my favorite color, so y'all know I had to get the blue glitter. I got them customized by none other than Clay's Customs. You know, she always do my customs. And these are so cute. She did her big one on the back. You can tie it. You can tie it on the back. You can tie it on the front. I chose to tie them on the back. I wore these a couple times. The glitter is holding, y'all. As many times as I've worn these shoes, it's holding. And I put these shoes through some things. It is really, really cute. They're very unique. Y'all know I like unique shoes. And then when it hits the sun, y'all, it glistens. These shoes are literally everything. So I would definitely pair these shoes with this shirt. Tell me what y'all think. This is so cute. I like how the teal or the aqua in the shoes bring out the same colors in the shirt. It just matches so perfectly. What y'all think? I love it. Motivational, stylish, you're glistening when it hits the sun. Like, what more do you want from me? What more do you want from me, baby? I get $36,000 a month. Whatever you say. Yeah. What more do you want? This is so nice. I love this outfit together. Next is this Joker shirt, and I think it is so cute. I like the colorway. I like the purple and the green together. It just, you already know, pop a color. I like it. It is so cute. My favorite villain is Joker. Do people have a favorite villain? What does that say about me? Anyway, my favorite villain is Joker. I also like Harley Quinn, but I got this in a size large, and it fits pretty true to size. I say if you want a baggy shirt, I would definitely size up. But other than that, I would say get your size. And it's really cute. It's kind of long. Yeah, I say this is definitely a good buy. You can pull out the purple, you can pull out the green, and I think it's really cute. And just notice I got a hunk of thread just falling from this shirt. So yeah, Fashion Nova. Yeah, definitely gonna cut that off. But the shirt is sturdy, I hope. Yeah, the shirt looks sturdy. I'll just cut that off. But yeah, that's that. I would wear these green Vans that I pulled out in the other video, which I got in the size 11. I think it really makes the green in the shirt pop. I think it's super cute. It brings out the green in the shirt. Tell me what you guys think. You like this outfit? You like it together? think this is super cute. Again, these shoes are like everything. The neon is just, it really pops. It's bright. And I think it pulls out this green in the shirt perfectly. What you think? I like it. So next are these green, black, and white Vans. I got them in a size 11. Y'all know I love me some good Vans. I think these are so cute. I needed some shoes with green in it. You know, you gotta have a pair of shoes of every color. And Vans always fit so comfortably. These are mid-top or high top, and I love high top shoes. I had a few outfits with green, and I was like, I need something to match, and this just pulled it off. Oh, and I just realized these will match perfectly with this varsity jacket from the second part of the haul. Oh my gosh, fire. Tell me what y'all think. I haven't worn these yet, but I am so excited to wear them. You know what? I think I'm gonna give me a pair of green customs, all green customs. Yes, I just got me an idea. That's gonna be my next pair of custom shoes from Valentines Customs. I am on the way. All right, y'all, this is what the shirt looks like on. This shirt is also from the AM Clothing. They have a lot of colors. Y'all know I love that. And it also has a motivational saying. It says, "You thought you could stop me?" And on the back it says, "Oh no, I am unstoppable." Yeah, as for all the haters, the naysayers, the people trying to stop your grind, it's not gonna happen. Try again. The shirt fits pretty true to size, so if you want an oversized shirt, I would definitely say size up. It's heavy duty, good quality, and I just think it's such a cute shirt, y'all. I'll put the information in the description for all of these products. Yeah. I would definitely wear this shirt with these yellow customized shoes from Valentines Custom because it brings out the yellow in the top and it brings out the yellow in the bottom of the shirt. So y'all already know you gotta pick a color. So y'all already know, pick a color, make it pop. Yeah, that should be my new motto. Pick a color, make it pop. And this yellow in the shoes definitely makes this yellow pop. You're welcome. I got these in a size 15. This is what these look like on. These are a cute pair of basic jeans. And for Black Friday, y'all, I think these jeans were only $5. So that's the reason why I got them. But they're like classic jeans that can literally go with anything. I'm a tall girl. I'm 5'7.5", 5'8". And these jeans are pretty long. Knock myself over. But these jeans are pretty long, so if you're a tall girl, they'll definitely do you right. They're definitely for you. You'll be good in these. They're very stretchy. I got these in a size 15, and they fit. Like, they're not too tight. They're not too loose. It does have a lot more give than the other pants that I was wearing in this video and the other 15s that I got in part 1 and part 2. So these are definitely a little looser. So I would definitely say get your size, or maybe... No, I wouldn't say size down. Definitely get your size, but they're gonna be a little looser. They're stretchy, but they fit comfortably. I like it. They're a good comfy pair of jeans. They fit, they kind of hug everything. They're really cute. I actually like these. I like these a lot. But for sure, they are definitely long. Like, they're longer than the other Fashion Nova jeans in the other videos. Next is this vest, and y'all, this is actually the first short sleeve. No, I'm lying. I actually have other vests. I take that back. But I got this in a size extra large, and I feel like it fits pretty good. It is a little loose, just a little bit, but I would definitely say get your size for sure, unless you want it to be a little tight. If you want it to like fit, I would say size down, because usually in jackets and vests I get an extra large, but I would have probably gotten a large in this if I wanted it to fit. But I like the way this fits. If it's a little loose, and I like the way this fits. I would wear this with a long sleeve shirt under it, or like a long sleeve crop top. That'd be so cute with like some pink shoes or something like that. Ooh, actually, I have the perfect shoes for this. But anyway, this is really cute. It's like that windbreaker material. I like it. All right, y'all, I got the perfect shoes for this vest. I would definitely wear these with this vest. Oh my gosh, that just matches so perfectly. Oh, how exciting. That is so cute. That's gonna be a fire outfit, y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at Kimmy_Coco to see how I put this outfit together. But that is so cute. So tell me what y'all think. Do y'all think these shoes matches this vest perfectly or what? Tell me what you think. You like it? Fire? No? I think it's fire though. I wouldn't wear it with these jeans, but actually it might be cute with these jeans. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. But anyway, this is so cute. I got these customized by Clay's Customs as usual. It has like these rubbery laces. It's not the regular laces. And these are the Camo Love shoes. I'll put the information in the description. But I think this is so cute. I love it. I got these in a size 11. I always get my shoes in a size 11 again. And I think that's gonna be fire. And y'all, as much as I get custom shoes, I am very hard on shoes. And these shoes are good quality. They're holding up really good. So if you want a custom pair of shoes, I would definitely recommend Clay's Customs. Like, that's the only person I've ever gotten customs from. And hey, look, if it's not broke, don't fix it. They always come out nice. They come out exactly how I want them, and they are so fire. They set my outfits off right. Alright, y'all, that is a wrap for this video. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on the next parts of this video. And follow me on Kimmy_Coco to see how I put these outfits together. Until next time.